This is the almighty E46, best car in the world. Look at that.
Baby, baby.
Never gets cleaned. Rusty.
Damn.
Flapping. Got some battle scars. But hands down, best car in the fucking world. What's up, dog?
Hey!
What, man? I can't hear you with all the rattles. There's lots of animals about here.
Yeah.
There's of them, mate. There's like 4 of them. Mate, it's
You know what I'm talking about?
glorious outside, mate. Rally cross. Hell, I'm in a bush, mate. It's alright, that thing's squishy, Gab. You ain't gotta worry about anything. Beep beep. Help me.
Hold on.
Way.
Cow.
It's quite dangerous, these roads, to be honest.
Hold up.
Oh, very kind of you, sir. Thank you. Oi. Quite bouncy in this car. It does have BCs, but it's so low there's no suspension travel, I suppose. All these noddies and Fiestas holding up proceedings, mate. Come on. Beep beep. God damn it, Sanjay. Beep 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 beep. It's so bumpy in here. Smell the tyres. It's rubbing on itself, mate. Hopefully you can't see my massive nose. Some of these roads are beautiful though, man. Around here, we live in such a nice place. Especially in the autumn time. Ah!
Shimmy on it.
Come on, mate, let's go. Beep, 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 beep. I love this car so much, man. Takes an absolute beating. Is this not the best car in the world? Are you going to say 6N, aren't you?
Probably a tank.
A tank? Mate, can't do skids in a tank. Like, oh god, yes, we're going to have to stop for this.
Grand design.
Dude, the houses around here, holy
That's a grand design.
Yeah.
it looks like a modern
Yes, sir.
fortress, doesn't it?
Ho.
Yo, look at that yard, mate.
Hollington.
It's got his name, Tollington. Jesus.
Come on.
You could have a nice workshop, yeah, but more my point is that you can't afford a nice house like that if
If you had cars.
you're spending all your money on this is it.
Yeah, true.
This was £300 this car originally. I've spent
From a van that didn't have a tool set, all he had was a bike set.
it's quite embarrassing, wasn't it?
You got a 10 mil, yeah, I've got this.
Poor geezer. Poor geezer. But yeah, £300, best car in the world. Obviously swapped in a 3-litre M54. It's on BC coilovers. It's got a hydro here.
Scoochie.
I need to bleed that. RTD shifter, I think, courtesy of the almighty Joey, a beautiful man he is. And yeah, swapped in some cream levers. There's a dog. How you doing, dog? Thank you, kind sir. Obviously, respectful BMW driver using my indicators. Honestly, when it's winter, autumn time and it's like this kind of sun's out, crisp, clear air, ain't much better, is there?
Hey yo.
Roses, mate. Roses. Ask the wildlife and rural crime team. But the beautiful thing about this car, it doesn't look too suspect. Obviously decked off. This is one of the most useful things. Tow bar attachment to jack up off. Obviously I need a cheap
What?
for me, thank you mate. Come on! And the most quintessentially British item we have, temporary traffic lights. Bare courses, mate. That's so British as well, isn't it? Holy
100.
Oi. Yeah, watch out the way, mate. TPS, you lot.
Luda.
The way. Anyone ever tried to get VW parts? The VW don't sell them. You got to go through TPS, and they've got to come to your garage and assess whether you're worthy, which takes like 2 weeks. So I get a customer and they need a clutch on a VW, and it just doesn't. Just can't buy it. Can't get it from VW, mate. Vicious. Oi. Big crash. Woo woo. Some emos. That's an eye, mate. Where are we exactly?
I'm only doing like 10 minutes where it feels like I'm in Wales.
You know what I'm saying? Jesus, man, the road's awful. There we have it, best car in the world. Easily the best car in the world, with the best engine in the world. M54 3 litre. I was saying earlier, it's on BC's, it's poly bushed, twin caliper on the rear, bit tatty. That's exactly how I like it. Obviously, don't forget to subscribe, like, buy some merch, check out our website, yada yada. We'll catch you in the next one.
That's all, folks.